Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 ways to elevate your home through decor and styling to make it look more expensive. There are so many different decorating tricks out there and little things that you can do to your home that are going to make it look luxurious without breaking the bank. So I'm sharing some of my favorites with you today that I know you can implement into your home. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. Now there's one decorative detail that is totally taking over the world of design right now. It's trending, but it's also very timeless, and it absolutely elevates every single space. And it's just a simple decorative pedestal. They are very much inspired by galleries and museums and really achieving that gorgeous artistic look, and they're super simple. They don't take up a lot of space, and I think they can elevate a little corner around your home. These decorative pedestals come in all different styles, so I think it's the perfect decorative touch that you can bring into your home that's not a furniture piece and not a small piece of decor that's really going to make a statement in every single style. They are perfect for corners, perfect for the end of a hallway to make a statement, putting behind a sofa or beside your sofa to really style it in a different way. Instead of just doing your typical side table, you can really elevate your space with pedestals. You can get them at different heights and create groupings, and that takes it to the next level as well. So if you're looking for a little decorative touch that you can bring into your home, I think a pedestal would really do it. If you already have an existing natural gas or propane fire pit or fireplace inside or outside of your home, you can absolutely update the look of it and really elevate it to make it look extremely expensive just by using these ceramic fire pit balls. These come in a pack of 15. I found them on Amazon. They come in many different colors, so you can really find something that's going to work with your existing design, but they instantly elevate a fire pit. All of the more high-end fire pits do have these ceramic balls to begin with, but if yours doesn't and yours comes with the glass rocks or the lava rock, you can swap those out for the ceramic balls, and it will instantly give it a brand new look. They really add this artistic scale and size to your fireplace and make it look like art. Instead of it being just a black rectangle that you don't see a lot of detail in, you can bring it to life with some ceramic balls. So these are an affordable way to elevate an existing piece around your home, indoors or outdoors. I'm actually gonna order more of these because I do need quite a few to fill my fire pit. I'm gonna swap out my lava rocks for these ceramic balls, and it's going to make it look beautiful instantly. So you can get a more affordable fire pit or fireplace that doesn't come with these ceramic balls and then just add them in yourself. It's such a little design hack that really takes it to the next level. Now, one of the easiest foolproof ways of decorating a space is bringing in plants, florals, stems, trees, greenery of any kind. But I do think that some plants have a very distinct style, and I think sometimes plants can clash. So you need to really pick your plant style to go with your home decor style, and it's going to really bring your space to life. For example, olive trees work really well with eucalyptus stems because they both have that blue-green kind of muted gray color to them, so they seamlessly work together and don't compete. I think they are such a great match. On the other side of things, fiddle leaf fig trees have a little bit more vibrancy to them, so they look really good with more tropical plants and monsteras and florals that are a little bit brighter. They have that bright green look, so you can pair them really nicely with other brighter florals. Florals, trees, and plants are very much a part of the decorating process, and in a space like this, I wouldn't really put in a tropical palm plant. I feel like that would completely clash, and it comes off as a very different style. So really thinking about your plants as a decor piece and working the style of them into your space is going to take it to the next level and make your entire home feel a lot more cohesive. Now, of course, an organized, clean home always comes off a little bit more luxurious than a home that isn't so well taken care of. One small detail that I think made such a huge difference to our home was having clean windows. I shared with you on my patio makeover video our new window cleaner, and it changed the look and feel of our living room. This whole room has wall-to-wall windows, and if they are dirty, it makes the entire home feel dirty and not taken care of. So this little system totally changed the game. This is the little spray bottle. I just put some Windex inside. It comes with the scrubbing pad. You use this to spray it on and scrub your windows first. And then this is where the magic happens. This is the vacuum powered squeegee. It squeegees off all of the water and dirt and leaves you with such a clean look. Like, I should have got this probably 2 years ago because it makes such a huge difference in feeling in my home. So again, this is a very small detail. It's not even something I really thought so much about until I cleaned my windows and saw the difference. So now I'm coming from experience. It really does make your home look more luxurious, feel better, feel cleaner when the windows are clean. It's definitely worth it. So again, I found this on Amazon. I will link it down below. You guys absolutely need it as well. Now, another swap that you can make around your home using items that you already have, like table lamps, floor lamps, chandeliers, is a lampshade swap. I think right now the tapered lampshades are giving the most elevated, luxurious look. I would say swapping out your barrel lampshades for tapered lampshades is going to elevate your space instantly. I know it's not for everyone. It's a style that is still coming back, but it is very much considered a more modern, traditional style. So if you are into that mix, this would be the perfect choice. The dynamic shape of a tapered lampshade looks incredible. It adds a unique shape and angle, and it just looks more dramatic. You can find tapered lampshades at almost every thrift store right now, every home decor store. They are everywhere, so it's definitely not an expensive swap, and you can keep your existing piece but make a little bit of an upgrade. A lot of high-end luxurious design has a ton of texture in it. No matter what space, bathroom, laundry room, kitchen, living room, you'll see a ton of mixed textures. I think when spaces lack a lot of texture, they don't give off much of a luxurious look. Everything is a little bit flat, hard, simple, and as soon as you bring in textures, you're gonna create a luxurious look. Of course, you can bring in textures when it comes to those more solidified finishes around your home, like backsplash and cabinets and flooring, all of those details, but you can also implement texture in a very small way that's gonna make a big difference. And that could be throw pillows, mixing textures when it comes to pillows. That's gonna create more of a luxurious look instantly. Rugs do the same, so absolutely implement rugs that have texture and pattern that are really gonna add to your design. You can bring in small decor that has different texture to it. So baskets and concrete sculptures and smooth wood items. The more natural look that you can achieve in your home, the better, because that's gonna make it look the most luxurious. If you're gonna focus on any space around your home to improve, I would focus on your entryway. If you can make a great first impression to your home, it's going to help the overall design and experience throughout your space. So start with your entryway and make sure that you always have some kind of entryway table. No matter how large or small your space is, you can always integrate an appropriate size entryway table to create that grounding central piece in that space. Having an entryway table should be both practical and stylish. So make sure that it can be a drop-off point for you to have your keys and the small items, maybe a mirror above. You can also have it be a huge style moment and that wow factor right when you walk in. I recently restyled my entryway table, which is really just an IKEA Kallax unit that I hacked into more of a designer look that totally elevates the space. I restyled the artwork and the florals and the lighting just to make it feel more luxurious right when you walk through the door. Elevated, beautiful spaces always have the clutter hidden away, so make sure you really use decorative boxes to your advantage. Decorative boxes are perfect for styling, especially entryways like that. You can hide away all of that front door clutter into something pretty. I always recommend everyone have multiple decorative boxes around their home. You can hide chargers, paperwork, remote, kids' toys, pet toys, all inside of cute decorative boxes. These can sit out on display in every area of your home. They're dual purpose pieces that really go a long way, and they are not so expensive. So if you want to do one thing to your home, I would say get some decorative boxes from HomeGoods, Amazon, the thrift store, and hide away all of those small things to clean up the look of your home and decorate it at the same time. And lastly, the best way to really elevate your home is to hone in on your design style. If you can figure out what your design style is and go all out with it in your home design, your entire space is gonna look cohesive, put together, and elegant. I made a video all about finding your design style and really figuring out all the specifics of that style, the color schemes, the textures, the furniture pieces that you need to create that look so that you can go all out with it. If you haven't seen that, I will link it down below here because I think it's super helpful. I find if you are a little bit lost with your design style, your home starts to look messy, a little hectic, and just not super orderly. So no matter what style you choose or what style you like, as long as you go all in with it with your entire home design, it's gonna make your space look cohesive, put together, and designer automatically. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you some ideas on ways that you can elevate your home. If you're looking for even more decorating ideas, I will link all of the videos I made on this topic down below in the description box so you guys can check those out as well. Let me know down below in the comments which one of these decorating tips do you think you could absolutely use in your home. And if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!